Today, we're making authentic Korean ramen.
Here are the ingredients we need. Start by adding water to the pot. Then gently add garlic and mushrooms. Season with soy sauce, gochujang, and gochugaru. Let everything come together slowly.
Now let the broth simmer gently. Stir slowly so the flavors blend together. Boil the ramen noodles in plain water. This helps remove excess starch and keeps the broth clean and balanced. After boiling, soak the noodles briefly in clean water. Now gently add the noodles into the broth. Slice the soft-boiled eggs in half. Finely chop the spring onions and cut the nori neatly for topping. Add a gentle drizzle of sesame oil and a final sprinkle of gochugaru. Carefully ladle the noodles and broth into the bowl. Arrange the egg, mushrooms, spring onions, and nori.
Authentic Korean ramen, ready to enjoy.